Hello, my name is SYAMIMI binti ZAHINI and my thermometer is H21A2698.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURIN JASLINA binti JOHAIME. My metric number is H21B3020. I will present about SOPIT model, which is consists supplier, input, process, output and customer. SOPIT model, it's defined a business process from beginning to end before works begin. Several aspects of SOPIT that may be readily apparent are supplier and customer may be internal or external to the organization that's performed the process. Input and output may be material, services or information.
I will present my part is supply and input. Okay, we go to the supply. Supply that we use is have three. The first one is raw material. The raw material that we use is a brooch, pins and scrunchie. And the source that we use is online websites such as Shopee and Lazada. The last one is supply. The supply that we take is RAS, Nima Mawar and Kni Christie. Okay, we go to the input. The first one is capital, 2,551 60 cents ringgit Malaysia we use for capital only. And the second one is source. We have found our source with the affordable price like a brush that we get from the RAS, just 4 ringgit Malaysian and get 14 brush. Next, we go to the equipment. The equipment that we use is an online web such as TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. The fourth is information's problem. We search that many valid women have a problem while traveling. The fifth is land. We use land that is close to the University Kelantan Malaysian because of its strategic location and easy to find in online maps. The last but not least is management. Of course, we have to ensure that our management is orderly and the work is carried out is more detailed and order.
I will explain about process, which is our product travel brochure set. The process consists primary process, finishing section, quality control inspection, storing, packaging, dispatch and lastly customer. For output, we estimating cost. We also show the estimation cost product per person, which is our product set pin travel brooch per person, selling price RM 9 ringgit, purchase price RM 8 ringgit, and estimation for purchases for 2 years from January to December. For output, deciding estimating cost, deciding delivery timelines, delivering full set travel brooch to customer, notifying the customer through telephone number, email, checking number and others. For customer, individual who order travel brooch set and people who will buy travel brooch set. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is TUAN binti RUSLI. My metric number is H21A2719. Today I will present about financial plan. Firstly is project implementation cost. There are two sources of fund, which is own money and loan. For assets, we use our own money about RM 2,500 and loan RM 500. Then our regular station, we only use our own money, which is RM 50. Then we move to loan amortization. Our loan amount is 500. The duration is 4 weeks with an interest of RM 10 per week. And the principal is RM 125 per week. On the 4th week, the loan will end. Next is depreciation table. The value of an asset depreciates over time. The amount of our organization cost of asset is RM 2,000. The life expectancy of asset is 100 weeks. So our depreciation per week is RM 20 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum, and my name Muhammad Danial bin OMAR and my metric number H21A2871, and I will present about financial plan. What is a financial plan? A financial plan contains all financial data resulting from the operating budget, such as marketing operation and administration budget. The importance of financial plan. The first one is selection of the size of investment. The second is to make sure that the initial capital is enough. And the last one is can be seen as a guideline for implementation project. As you can see, this is our cash flow projection for 4th week, and for total inflow is 9,050, and the total cash of outflow is 4,678.6 and the cash balance is 4,371.4.
Next, I will present about project income statement per month. First is sale RM 6,000, then cost of goods sold RM 2,591.60. Then we plus these two items to get the gross profit amount. Next, we have to minus registration, interest and depreciation with the amount of gross profit to get amount of net profit. So our amount of net profit is RM 3,238.40. Last one is projected balance sheet. There are two things, which is total asset and liability plus equity. Total asset divided into two, which is cash and asset. So we total our asset, then we got RM 5,871.40. Next, we total liability plus capital paid plus accumulated profit equal to RM 5,871.40. So we have the same amount of balance. Our return on investment is 127.0%. Return on asset per month is 55.16%. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AIZAT FIKRI bin BAZLIZA. My matric number is TUAN-A1988. I will present about future development of our company. Point number 1. To make the company more famous by opening company branches in developing countries. Point number 2. To make our company able to compete with developed companies. Point number 3. So that the company can be among the manufacturers and marketers of high quality product. And last point number 4. So that the company can provide an efficient and skilled workforce in performing its duties.
I will explain about conclusion. The RUSLI company sell products that are very important, especially to women, because this product is always used everywhere. We believe our products can go further and will be able to compete with other companies. We are also confident that people, especially to women, will use our product because it can facilitate their affairs, especially those who love to travel. The efficient cooperation of each member and the orderly marketing will thus enable us to create quality products and meet customer tastes. We are confident this business will continue to grow in the future.